Hi everybody, I'm Jessie with Simply Refreshing. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for notifications. Today I want to talk to you about our most popular product in Young Living, which is the Premium Starter Kit. I want to talk to you about what it comes in the kit, show it to you in less than 50 minutes. I hope I can do this because there's a lot to say, but I'm just gonna go over each oil real quick and give you like kind of like a quick guide of what you can expect when you get this. So when you order the kit, you will get a box and it looks like this. Beautiful presentation, right? It looks like this, and you also get a diffuser. Now, the diffuser I chose is this one. There's another one that you can choose from, and you can see it on the website once you go in. But this is a really cute diffuser. I have it disconnected so I can show you. But when you connect it, it actually lights up, and it's really pretty. Anyway, so this is the diffuser I have. But let me show you what's in the box because this is the focus of this video. And I'm gonna put my camera down a little. Okay. So once you open it, you get down to the goodies, and you open the box, and you see all the goodies, and you will see your oils, and it comes like this. Isn't it pretty? So I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna talk to you about each oil real quick here, and then I'll show you what's in the bottom because that's not all, but I have my notes here because I don't want to forget anything. I don't want to skip anything. So it comes like this. The kit comes with 12 oils, a diffuser, and other freebies that I will show you in just a moment. But let me start talking about the oils that come down here, and then I'm going to tell you about these oils. Before I go on, let me just tell you that there's 3 ways of using oils. The first one is automatically, which you can, inhale. Of course, inhale. You can put it in the diffuser that I show you, or you can inhale directly from the bottle. The second form to use oils is topically, which you can put directly on your skin. You can use a carrier oil, which a carrier oil will be your coconut oil, your almond oil, avocado oil, or any of the V6 oils that we have as well. Anything that you have at home. I usually use coconut oil though, but anything is fine. And the third form is internally. So we have this line of oils. You see the white label. Those are called vitality oils, and that means that you can actually ingest them. And I will explain to you that in a moment. So let me start with our most popular one, lavender. So lavender promotes healthy skin and encourages relaxation. Then we're going to go to Panway right here. Yeah, that's Panway. Panway is for tired muscles. It's great for after workouts. It's a refreshing, cooling sensation when you apply it. This is an oil that you want to dilute with coconut oil or any other fatty oil because it is a hot oil. Frankincense, we have it over here. Frankincense. It's great for skin. It promotes a radiant skin, and it's awesome for meditation as well. When you diffuse it, it's an amazing oil. This oil also comes in vitality form, which is the same oil, just different label. Raven is right here. Raven promotes deeper breathing, has eucalyptus in there and other menthol scents, and this is great for breathing. You can do a chest rub during in winter time when it's hard to breathe because of anything. You can just apply it in the chest with coconut oil, and it's great. It's awesome. You can also diffuse it. Valor, it promotes a positive attitude, grounded environment. It's an awesome for the skin. It smells delicious. I really use it mostly for my perfume because it smells that good, especially also for when I go to the dentist to give me some courage because I don't like the dentist. If a dentist is watching, I love you. I know you're great at your job, but I don't like going to the dentist. I do go, but I take my Valor. Lemon. So I'm going to talk to you about the vitality oils that are up here. Lemon will be my first one right here. Lemon supports the digestive, lymphatic, and immune system. It's great with my water. I take 1 drop in my glass of water, and it gives it a great flavor. Peppermint. It's refreshing. It's a cool oil. It adds the digestion. It's perfect for breath freshener as well. It's a great oil. Thieves right here. Thieves is a blend of rosemary, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and lemon. And it's great for the immune system, oral health, and whole body wellness. It's a great, great oil. Let's see what else we have. Citrus Fresh right here. Citrus Fresh is a cleansing and antioxidant, invigorating citrus flavor. It's an amazing oil. I use it for marinades because it has a white label, so I can ingest it. I can also use it for cleaning or in my laundry for my wool laundry balls that I use for the dryer. I put a few drops of Citrus Fresh. It's amazing. And this one, Digize, is my last vitality oil. This is all about digestion. This is a great oil for the digestion. It is also antioxidant. Now, I told you that there's more in my box, right? So this is the main thing, or this is the thing that you see the first when you open your box. But also, let me just show you real quick. You see this little tab right here. When you lift it, there's more stuff in here. So let me talk to you about this. There's 2 more oils down here. This is Peace and Calming. Peace and Calming, it promotes a relaxing and calming environment. It's awesome for sleeping at night. To put it, you can put it in on your skin at night, or put it in the diffuser at night. It's an amazing, amazing oil. And also Stress Away. Stress Away does exactly what its name implies, takes the stress away. It's a great oil to put after work, especially when you have had a busy day at the office and you need to relax. You can put this, a few drops in your diffuser, and it will make you forget about everything. It also comes with a Thieves cleaner sample, so you can try this. This is a great cleaner. It's an all-purpose cleaner. I carry this in my purse because when you go to restaurants and you sit at tables, and have you seen those racks they clean the tables with? Ugh. So this one, I've cleaned my tables, and trust me, it needed it. So this is great. And also comes with the Thieves hand sanitizer, which is great. It kills 99.9% of common bacteria, and it's a great thing to have in your purse as well. I like this because it doesn't dry your hands, and it smells delicious. It doesn't have any toxics or anything bad. And it also has 2 samples of Ninja Red. Ninja Red is a super red juice. It has antioxidant properties. It is great for the immune system and overall wellness. So you get all this. All this is actually priced at $400. I think the last time I priced it, it was $425 plus tax and shipping. I know it's very expensive, but you won't pay that. I won't let you pay that because I want you to get started, and I want you to get this in an easier way. And there's an easier way to get this. So we're giving you this. This is our most popular oils, the oils that will get you started in a wellness path, only for $165. I mean, this is a great, great savings. And I have a couple promotions that if you're interested, I can talk to you about. But this you get all this for only $165. It's really nothing because the frankincense oil alone is like $70. So you get a substantial saving. So let's talk more. If you have any more questions, I just wanted to go over this real quick. I didn't want to take much of your time. You're busy, I'm busy, and I want you to have like just an idea of what comes and what you use these oils for. When you sign up with Young Living in my team, you will get also support for going through this journey. You don't get to do this alone. I'll be with you, guiding you and telling you. And we also have Essential Rewards. It's a great program. And you get your wellness box every month. And you get freebies as well. You get free oils. You get promotions that we run every month. So there's a lot to do. There's a lot to learn there. And I will be talking to you about it. I have my link down here in the comments. Go ahead and click them. Join my group. I have a Facebook group, an amazing group where I talk more about the oils, but also self-care, healthy living. And so I would love to have you there. And the link of the group is also in the comments there. If you have any questions or any comments, you can send me a message, simplyrefreshinglife@gmail.com. Or you can just put a message here, and I'll be talking to you as well. Have a good afternoon, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.